Hey guys, Corvus here. Today I have a review of the high-grade RX-78-2U Gundam Uniqlo color version. This is a specialty model kit you can get from Uniqlo for buying 3 or more shirts from their site. It recently came to the US, so I decided I'd get one. They're free. So, with this kit, I didn't do any panel lining or any painting, but I did apply the minimal stickers, except for the cameras. The cameras are white, just like the mobile suit, so I didn't do anything. The eyes are white, but they have the red underneath, which I believe is the same case with the original 2000s RX-78, which this kit is just a recolor of. It's not the Revive. And I also applied the nice sticker decal sheet that we get. We get some nice Uniqlo logos, numbers, ESFF, and we also get a 40th anniversary sticker, which I thought was pretty nice looking. So for the mobile suit itself, the color differences are really just the blue has turned a stark white. All the original red stayed the same dark red. All the gray changed to a very nice, very bright cherry red, and all the yellow changed to black. I believe the off-white gray is the same color that the original RX-78 was. So getting into articulation, this thing is very much reminiscent of the early 2000s. We have a head that goes up that far, goes down that far. It does go all the way around, but you want to mind the beam sabers. They tend to fall out quite easily. The backpack has no movement at all except for the beam sabers that fall out. The shoulders are on kind of joints. They tend to stick a lot. You have to bring the shoulders out to get the full motion, but that also happens a lot. The jewel doesn't like to stay in, but you get a nice swing, kind of like with the Zaku 1. The arms only go 90 degrees. You have a bicep swivel that goes all the way around. It does make the arm kind of loose though. Then of course we have a ball jointed wrist. The torso has almost no movement at all. It only goes side to side that much because of the back skirt that hinders it. The skirting armor is also pretty limited. The side skirts only go out that far. I don't even think you can really see that on camera. The front skirts are actually pretty nice. They go out about like that, which allows the legs to go forward that far, or if you kind of tuck them under the knee, you get a much nicer forward kick. Backward kick is about as much as you'd expect. The back skirt doesn't move. And then since the legs are on ball joints, you don't get a full split, but it's still pretty nice. The legs are of course on ball joints, and you only get a 90-degree bend for the leg. The feet are pretty nice. You get a hinge at the top, as well as a ball joint in there, so you get a pretty nice range of motion. And the ankle guards just move up and down. And that's it for the articulation. There's really nothing else there. But for accessories, we of course get the decals. We of course get a cherry red beam rifle and trigger finger hand, which is kind of loose. The scope will move. It's kind of tight though, and I'm afraid I'm going to break it. And we also get a handle down here, which it can barely hold with 2 hands. But it looks alright. I would have liked if they gave us a sticker for the scope, but it's fine for what it is. We also get a shield with a nice big sticker on there. Some very nice color separation with the black cross. And that just pegs into the hole there. And the only accessory left are 2 clear pink beam sabers, which for the time was pretty amazing. These just peg into one of the very loose beam saber handles and go into the hand. It's an alright connection and it will fall out, but stays in the hand pretty well when it's stationary. We also get a completely new manual. It's all brand new images as well. Tells you where to put the stickers. It's a really nice new manual. For size comparisons, here he is with the Revive RX-78. The Revive, I believe, is a little bit taller, as well as having those very slim proportions, which I like a lot more than the chunkier, more anime-esque proportions of this one. And I don't have the Uniqlo or Zaku 2, but I do have an FS to show you that they're about the same size. And that's it for the review. Onto the rating of the kit. I'd say buy it if you only like the design. There's really nothing else here that you can't get with the Revive other than the decals and the colors, which can easily be done with paint. And that's all for today. Y'all have a good one.